Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for a special STEM project. Today's project is Craftstick Launchers. Okay, so it looks a little something like this, and this is the picture as well, and this is the object that you can launch. So this is a little Q-tip. You know, you can use that for your ears. You know what this is for, right? Okay, so you need some very basic things. So 4 craft sticks, aka popsicle sticks. You need 2 buttons and glue. So this is crazy glue. You need something really strong because they're wooden sticks. So you need a strong glue. I recommend, like anything, if you need a parent or an older sibling to help you with this kind of object, please get their assistance, okay? So this is really an adult supervision, or an older assistant is needed, okay, in handling this type of glue. Otherwise, you can use like a glue gun if you have it, anything like that. But once again, you need a parent or older sibling, caregiver, and especially you need permission at all times. Also need a little bit of straw, and you need a nice rubber band, okay? So, show you how to put this together right now. Alright, so we have our two sticks. We're going to put them together real simple. So we'll take 2 of them and we'll put them together, one on top of the other, and just press down. And once again, if you need assistance, always feel free to ask. So that's one. And sometimes it takes a little while to set. So don't worry if they're still loose. If you want to give them time to set and the glue to dry, that's fine. And that's even better because I tried to do this beforehand and the whole thing fell apart. So you learn as you go along. Okay, so I'm going to put these 2 together as well and give them a good squeeze, good squeeze, good squeeze, good squeeze. Okay, so now we have 4 sticks, making 2 kind of reinforced ones. And we're going to glue them, as you can see right here, like a letter T, like a lowercase t. So I'm going to put a little glue here. And we'll go ahead and do that. Just like so. Okay. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take buttons. Now, this is a little tricky because these buttons, you know, I got solid plastic ones, and even though they're small, and even with this crazy glue or super glue, it'll take a little while. So, we're going to do one at a time. And second one up. Here we go. And you put them on just like that. Give them a good squeeze. And you wind up with something just like this. So a T with 2 buttons on it. Looks like a little wooden airplane. Finally, for the insert, a nice piece of straw. So I cut this. Well, you need the scissors, but I already cut it. So you can also test it just to make sure that the Q-tip will fit it, and it does, or fit through it rather. So I'm going to take now the straw piece and take more glue, and we're going to put it right on here, just like that. Now, smashing it down. And like I said, once it's all glued, even with super glue, it'll take a little while. Okay, so it'll look like this. Now that's without the rubber band. So, here's the rubber band. And here is the, pretty much, this one is dried. I had to reinforce it with some tape too. So if you go ahead, if you have tape, go ahead and reinforce it. Now, I'm going to take the rubber band and I'm going to put it, taking the rubber band, and we'll put it just like so on the back. Just be real gentle with it. I'm going to start here and bring it like here. Okay. I'll bring it across. I'll bring this piece across. Okay. And I lost it, so we're going to do the same thing. I'll show you in the back. It was like it was in the back. Let me do it like here, so you can see it. So, stretch the rubber band from one button to the other, just like that. Okay. Then we'll take this piece in the back and we're going to bring that down. So, you see where it is, where the sticks are, in that little, where the area where it's like a little slit. I'm going to take this and bring it gently right here. Okay, so gotta try it one more time. Yeah, and sometimes, you know, it gets a little heated, but we can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start here again. Make sure that the band is here. Okay, and I'm going to bring it here to the back, and then I'll do the same for the other side. And by the time the band is done, it should look like a triangle. So we're just bringing that right over there. And finally, we have our rubber band secured onto our launcher. So now I can take the Q-tip, put it in, and all you do, I'm just going to fix this real fast, hold it, move your fingers out the way, hold it steady, and there you go. You bring it back and launch. I'm going to try another one this time. I'll bring it here. and I gotta rework it. So let's start from the bottom again. That worked out just fine. And bring it back here. And in the back, bring that to the back. Bring this here. Lost our Q-tip, but that's okay. We'll come back for it. Bring that right here. Oops. Let's try it again. So now, there we go. I'm going to try it again. Putting the Q-tip in. Okay. Make sure everything is secure. And let's see. Okay. Wow. So that's how you do it. Oh, simple launcher here. Using 4 craft sticks. Of course, a rubber band and 2 buttons. Some glue. And then you can, challenge yourself as well. You can also create, maybe a target, anything like that. Have a little game. If it's more than one of you making a launcher, feel free to challenge each other. You can also try different, with the Q-tip, you can also cut it. So you can take, and you can cut it, and then you can also use just the stick without that as well. Okay? So, I hope this has inspired you. At all times, stress again, with a capital S. Please, if you need assistance, anytime you need scissors, super glue, any of those items, please ask a parent, sibling, caregiver for assistance. We appreciate you loving science, as we all do. Number 1 priority, your safety. First and always. Alright. Once again, this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Today's project is Craftstick Launchers, and shout out to Steam Powered Family for presenting this and putting this to the public so all can recreate it for themselves. Thank you so much, and until we STEM again together, or STEAM together, so long for now. Bye.